Final Cut Pro 12.3 is here, but it's been met with a bit of controversy. The brand new automatic subtitles only work in English. While I don't know the decision process behind why that is at launch, what I do know is how to solve problems. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use the brand new automatic subtitles with any language inside of Final Cut Pro. To pull this off, you're going to need to go and download Auto Subs, which is a completely free app. I'll have a link to it down below on the download page. Just scroll on down until you see download and you'll see macOS. Once you've downloaded the app and gone through the install process, you should see an app that looks something like this. It does have a really quick onboarding process, so just follow through. And once you're done, you can go ahead and select drop file or click. We'll locate the file that I want to use. Then from there, we'll push open. Once you've added in the file, you can choose which language it's in. I have it set to auto, but you can of course type in a specific language, so I'll just look up Spanish. Then I'm going to go down to options, and if we push this T, we can change the text density. I set it to single word. You can set the line count to 1, the text case to normal. You can also do all lowercase, uppercase, or title case. You can also remove punctuation and even censor words. Next, you're going to want to choose the model that you are working with. By default, it's set to parakeet, but you can choose any of these other options. There are a ton of them. And the very first time you run this, it's going to need to download that model, so you'll need to wait it out. But once it's downloaded, you can use this completely offline. After that, you can go ahead and press generate. And just like that, it has generated an SRT from that video file that was about 40 seconds or so. From there, we can press export to file, and we want to make sure it's a .srt file. Then you can place this wherever you like. And then we can go ahead and open up Final Cut Pro. In Final Cut Pro, you'll just go up to File, go to Import, then select Closed Captions. After that, you'll choose the subtitle file that you generated and press Import. Once Final Cut Pro is done importing, you'll see all of these captions here at the top of your timeline. But these are the ugly captions, not the dynamic subtitles that we're after. So how do we change these over to subtitles? Well, we can select one of them, push Command A to select all, right click, and go down to duplicate captions to subtitles. Now, before you do this, I do recommend that you first go into your titles and find the exact title you want to work with as a subtitle. So maybe you picked up my brand new FCB's Pro subtitles. We can go ahead and scroll through and find the one we want. Maybe I'll try bold highlight and we'll select make default subtitle. And now that that is the default subtitle, I will right-click, duplicate captions to subtitles, and if we hide the captions...
¿No sería fantástico poder tener una carpeta en tu Mac y que en cuanto reciba cualquier tipo de metraje, música, efectos de sonido, gráficos o cualquier cosa que puedas añadirle, lo importará automáticamente a Final Cut Pro?
If this video was helpful to you in any way, consider pressing that like button so that others can find it, and also consider subscribing to help me reach 100,000 subscribers. It's only possible with your help, and it would mean so much to me. Also, don't forget to check out my brand new Pro Subtitles plugin. I'll have a link to it down below. It's got a huge discount for launch week. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me for this video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.